Imagine you're scrolling through Instagram and you see a post about someone making thousands of dollars a month selling products online. It looks easy and you're tempted to try it. But how do you know if it's real? One popular tool people talk about is Oberlo. Is Oberlo really the secret to online success? Or is it just too good to be true? Today, we're going to dive deep into Oberlo and find out if it's a legitimate tool for building an online business. We'll explore how it works, its pros and cons, and ultimately, whether it's worth your time and money. What is Oberlo? Oberlo is a dropshipping app that connects you with suppliers who can fulfill orders for products you sell online. Basically, you don't need to stock any inventory. When a customer buys something from your store, you simply place an order with the supplier, and they ship the product directly to your customer. How does Oberlo work? Here's a quick breakdown of the Oberlo process. Find products. Oberlo lets you search for products from various suppliers. You can filter by category, price, and other criteria. Import products. Once you find products you like, you can import them directly into your online store. Customize listings. You can customize the product descriptions, images, and pricing to fit your brand. Fulfill orders. When a customer places an order, you simply click a button to place the order with the supplier. Track orders. Oberlo provides tracking information so you can keep your customers updated on the status of their orders. Pros of using Oberlo. There are several advantages to using Oberlo for your online business. Easy to use. Oberlo has a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to get started. Wide range of products. You can find products from a variety of suppliers, including clothing, electronics, home goods, and more. Automation. Oberlo can automate many tasks, such as importing products and fulfilling orders, saving you time. Low startup costs. Because you don't need to stock inventory, the startup costs for an Oberlo-based business are relatively low. Cons of using Oberlo. Despite its many benefits, Oberlo also has some drawbacks. Limited customization. You may have limited control over the supplier's branding and packaging. Competition. Many other online sellers are using Oberlo, which can make it difficult to stand out. Profit margins. Depending on the products you sell and the suppliers you choose, your profit margins may be low. Supplier reliability. There's always a risk that suppliers may not deliver products on time or may provide poor quality items. Is Oberlo real or fake? The short answer is yes, Oberlo is real. It's a legitimate tool that can help you start an online business. However, it's important to understand that it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success with Oberlo requires hard work, dedication, and a solid business strategy. Tips for success with Oberlo. Here are some tips to help you succeed with Oberlo. Niche down. Instead of trying to sell a wide variety of products, focus on a specific niche. Build a brand. Create a strong brand identity to differentiate yourself from the competition. Provide excellent customer service. Go above and beyond to provide exceptional customer service. Continuously improve. Be willing to experiment and make adjustments to your business as needed. Oberlo can be a valuable tool for building an online business, but it's not a magic bullet. By understanding how it works, its pros and cons, and following the tips we've discussed, you can increase your chances of success. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe for more online business tips and insights.